going to be showing you how to perform a draw stroke in a canoe. This stroke is used to either move your boat to the left or move your boat to the right, without gaining momentum. So what you want to have your hand on the off side, holding your T-grip like this, and your other hand holding the paddle shaft around 2/3, 3/4 of the way down. Now your hand should be in a kind of L shape. Should be in a kind of L shape, framing your hand. Ideally, I'm in a kayak right now, but ideally in a canoe, you should be leaning over to the side and pulling in the water with the side. So the blade enters the water about parallel to your hips, and you just pull the water in, push the blade out, feather it out, and just pull the water in, like so. I'm paddling on the left side right now, so performing the draw stroke on the left side of the boat would move the boat to the left. If you're performing the draw stroke on the right side of the boat, it would move the boat to the right.